Hey there, flavor seekers. Imagine this, a dish so delicious, so packed with zest, that it feels like a cheat meal, but is actually a nutritional powerhouse. Welcome back to Healthy Recipes. Today, we're diving into the world of Zesty Lemon Garlic Chicken, a recipe that's as nourishing as it is mouth-watering. Let's get started. First, let's meet our star ingredients: succulent chicken breast, fresh lemons, robust garlic, and a sprinkle of herbs that'll take your taste buds on a vacation. What makes this dish so special, you ask? It's the balance. The lemon adds a bright acidity, the garlic offers a savory depth, and the herbs provide a refreshing earthiness. Plus, each ingredient packs its own health punch. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein, crucial for muscle repair and growth. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, boosting your immune system and keeping your skin radiant. Garlic? It's not just for warding off vampires. This tiny powerhouse has antibacterial properties and can help lower blood pressure. And the herbs? They're not just a garnish. They add antioxidants and an array of micronutrients. Let's get cooking. Start by marinating your chicken. In a bowl, combine freshly squeezed lemon juice, minced garlic, a drizzle of olive oil, and chopped herbs. Let your chicken soak up all those flavors for about 30 minutes. Trust me, this wait is worth it. While your chicken is marinating, preheat your oven to 375 degree hours. Once ready, place the chicken in a baking dish, pouring the remaining marinade over the top. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and golden brown. You'll know it's perfect when your kitchen smells like a Mediterranean bistro. Here's a pro tip. Serve this delightful dish with a side of steamed vegetables or a fresh salad to keep it light yet fulfilling. The balance of flavors is absolutely divine. In under an hour, you've created a dish that's as impressive as it is nutritious. That's the magic of healthy recipes. So, what's stopping you? Dive into this zesty lemon garlic chicken and let your taste buds celebrate. Remember, cooking healthy doesn't have to be boring. It can be a delicious adventure. Until next time, keep experimenting and savoring the flavors of health. Your body will thank you,